Okay, let's show the performance test inside of Mbes 64. I'm going to go ahead into our raw folder where I have my check lines that we ran over top of the reference area. And there's just one of them, so I'm just going to select that. Down below here is the most important thing. So under the matrix, I'm going to tell it to use the matrix file that I used when I created that reference surface. So that's all set up for me. Under devices, this is RTK tides. Just check my settings here real quick. Okay, good. So we won't double correct. And load the file in. Good. Now we want to go ahead and edit the data. So go ahead and check the heave and tide and sound velocity and other parameters, and those all look good. We'll do the beam calculations. Now is where you want to do a good job editing your data. And for speed, I'm not going to do an overly good job of editing my data. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of some of the bad stuff. I'm just going to take this tool here and delete below a line. Get rid of all that stuff. Now I could go in and clean up further, time permitting, but for our little demonstration we're just going to leave that alone, and get rid of isolated spikes that appear up inside the data. That's going to improve my results. Right? Now for the beam angle test, under Tools, we'll find the beam angle test. And all we have to do is bring in our reference surface that we previously created on that area, and it will generate the statistics for us. In this case, it shows my test was done in feet, so 0.2 to 0.3 of a foot all the way out to 65 degrees. The X's, that's my 95% confidence in the circles. The X's, right, are the bias, the actual difference between the Z values at the different beam angles. For the angle test, you can open up the report, see what the maximum outliers are for each group of 5 degrees, and then down below is the individual information for each beam. Take this, cut it out, save it. Right, you got yourself a nice quality control report for your survey. That's the beam angle test in Mbes 64. Thanks for coming.